Alright guys, so today we're going to be doing some slime stuff. First of all, get slimed. Next up, I'm going to muffle my sound. See if I... Alright, do I sound weird? I don't know, because I put the slime. Hold on. Alright, I just put the slime over my sound. If I sound different, let me know in the comments. So next up, I'm gonna throw some slime at you. I missed. Still missed. See if I can do it from close up. I didn't hit you. I did hit you one time. Oh, there's stuff in the slime now. Oh no, there's stuff all over it. Crap. Next up, I'm gonna slime myself. I am now blind. I can only see green. Next up, I'm gonna see if I can still talk with this over me. So, kind of. Alright. Next up, we're just gonna be playing with it. So a little slime video. Alright. Let's make a bubble with it. Hold up, let's see if we can make bubbles with it. Be right back. Actually, no, I'm gonna take y'all with me. I'm gonna take y'all with me. So I don't really know how to make bubbles. Right next to me, there's a fan, so I'm gonna see if I can just... I don't know. But next up, we're gonna be doing some poking with the slime. Oh, I already know it's gonna get nasty. See it? And actually, there's nothing on the back. Make sure to like and subscribe. And also, how do you like my first edited video so far? Next up, we're going to be doing, I guess, a little bit of ASMR, because my last ASMR video blew up. It's my most second viewed video ever, so starting now, we're going to be doing some slime ASMR. Slime tapping on the mic. It's only one trigger today. I don't know if that's really doing anything. But next up, but yeah, that's it. So, I want to say that's it for the video, because I just played with some slime a little bit. I want to see if I can make some fart sounds with it. Oh, and, I'm going to take Nori out. Hold up. Actually, matter of fact, I'm just going to make a short, because today's video is about slime.